Your nation people. When the hear world boss come out and I make you know about the snitch bitch them, right? The boy named Sissy P swear think him get way. You think you da go get way, right? Eh? You swear think you da go get way, Sissy P? Let me tell you something, man. You ain't nothing but a snitch bitch. And you don't have no proof, nor nothing about what you're saying and calling up people name and them shit there. If that were the case, I'll know. You can't identify the rapists them who are rape off the lady them. The fucking man them who are take with the look of pitney them. The gunman them who are commit so much crime and robbery. I'll know you can't identify none of them. Everything where you talk about is in the past. Something where you know just it's and bits and pieces a story about. You're not credible. You're nothing but a snitch bitch. You know what I mean? We run your mouth for the anger rhythm. Because tell everybody say the money you do it for. Right now, you did your chat about you expose this and that. What a day it a go be when them expose all your picture, eh? You supposed to chuck underneath the earth, eh? Or fucking runway, which one of them? But here we go on now, nation people. And the world, it's not a plan. Just watch what go on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent, full effecting man. You don't know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. And the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. The guy when named Pussy P, so you think he never gonna escape the 10-star one. No, you're not escape boy, you're a snitch bitch. You see what I say? And the only thing you know for do, I come on the internet and cause a bag of gas up and a bag of mix up and a bag of calling people name and call up and talk about stuff that you don't have no idea about, you don't have no proof about. From the day you come on the internet, a thief Mr. Lone Stump style, I tried to do it like the man. We all know you're working for the anger management. That's what you're working for. There's a look at anger management pussy. You see what I say? Yeah, you're running down the money. That's what you do. You see what I deal with? Nobody act like you do something important or you do something where benefit to nobody in the country. And all these people will listen to you and some people will love gas up. Because all in the history you do this shit here. From you come on YouTube and start do this shit here. None of them can show nor approve of nothing that you say, nothing that you do, nothing that you give the police them no idea about, no hint about, no murderer, no rapist, no thief, no criminal activity you ever use your mouth and bring them to justice on the internet. All you're doing is just running up your mouth for the anger management. You see what I say? That you can get paid for Google AdSense. That's why the general make you know you's nothing more than a little snitch bitch. That's all it is. Who you working for, boy? Who have an apple in your mouth? Eh? Tell me who are you working for? And who have an apple in your mouth, boy? Eh? We need to know you come like shit stain, my brother. You look a shit, you little shit stain, you. Fuck boy, your name Sissy P. You're nothing but a little shit stain. You see what I say? Yeah, you're not credible. You have to hide your voice and hide your face. Because the type of hypocrisy where you're there on the internet with. You see what I say? Yeah, no gimmicks thing not dead about it. And the song Make Fear Boy, World Boss say it's not a song, it's a bumbuckler message. So you see you boy CCP, continue with your fucker because your day are gonna come when people are gonna find out who is this bitch when he CCP, you know. And time are gonna come where you're gonna get exposed, you know, my brother. We better prepare for that, you know. Since you want to go on and call up everybody name like that, and feel like you can call up everybody name in your mouth for the anger management, try remember, you know, say anything that goes around comes around, you know. So make sure you prepare yourself, you know, for when your time comes, you know, Mr. Snitch bitch. You don't know nothing about the man them, you know. Nothing at all you don't know about the man them, you know. You see what I say? Me hear Squash Man tell you off in his song already, you know. A World Boss have to come beat your body, you know. You see what I say? And me hear people talk about World Boss fed up and you call them name. World Boss in a business with that. I be a fucker you chat. No way you chat say no constructive. That can't do nothing to the World Boss. Everybody know where you work off of. And the anger management you bumbuckler to run down. The anger rhythm you run down that you can get paid from Google AdSense. There ain't nothing more about that. Tell the people them say that you not do it for the benefit of the country. You not do it for the benefit of the community. You not even do it for the benefit of your platform. Because as I'm saying, you don't have nothing where you ever talk about where lead the police them to justice for no at all. No rapist, no murder, no robbery, no thief, nothing at all. All you're doing is just running up your mouth. You see what I say? Yeah, and you know I look about certain shit because you can see say you do your research. And all of the shit them where you have been speaking about, I be a thing where long time nobody not getting no trouble for them shit there. One to the things them what happen around here in to the world. Me not hear you talk about them, my brother. Me not hear you talk about them, and me not hear you try to bring nobody to justice, my brother. For the type of wickedness you are going all over the fucking place. And all you can do is get up and want to lift on the artist them name. Anybody where you see blow up big, anybody where you see get on you to see a blow up, and that you try to tarnish them reputation and try to tarnish them name. Who are you working for? Who pay you, boy? Cause somebody after pay you now, who have an apple in your mouth shit stain? Yeah, that's what I have to know. Who have an apple in your mouth? You little fucking shit stain, you. You see what I say? And then you chat about this and I chat about that and I go like you're credible. You're not. You know what I mean? So from after today, your name a snitch bitch. Mr. Shit Stain. That's how your name. Mr. Snitch bitch. You little shit stain you. I act like say you're credible. And nobody wants to hear what you say. Be people who love listen to gossip and hypocrisy. First thing, you want to show man something, you have to kick in people draws in them ass with the work. Show with the work. What have you done lately? What have you proved to us lately? You know what I mean? What have you proved to us lately? You know what I mean? What kind of crime you solve? What kind of mystery you solve? You know what I mean? What do you do for have all these hype on them shit? That's not about some little gas up and some bad-minded people who don't like the little ghetto youth them what them see rise out of poverty and accept themselves on a different level for them and them family. You see what I say? First thing you do, you run and jump on the general Vybz Kartel name. A clout you're looking at my virgin. A Vybz Kartel build a challenge a boy. The first time you come out and lie and tell lie on the general, you know, remember 40,000 subscribers you gain in a day in a road, boy. Just remember that, you know. You see what I say? And instead of you dead and try to call up the man, you should have congratulate the man because without the man you wouldn't have so much blood clot subscriber, you know. And use the man name, you know. Tarnish the man name, you know. for anger management and subscriber, you know, just try remember that you do, you know. That's what I say. Anyway, world boss, the snitch bitch the shot sang the bad no bumbo clad. You see what I say? And it couldn't have dropped at at the right time like now. You see what I say? Because that boy name changed from Sissy, you know, to Mr. Snitch bitch. You see what I say? Anyway, at the general, the 10-star one, I represent. What? Gaza Nation. This some pussy not like for see. But them can't stop it. Oh.